Perhaps the temperature is not optimum. Not starting at the first crank. Can be some of the fuel line clogging. This is not starting at the first crank. You give it, and the first time it will always stop, and then it starts. You saw? There's a bloody sound coming. This is new. And now, especially when the temperature have started increasing, so with 21.5 degrees, I don't find there should be a cold start issue. It can be, the temperature center problem. Might be other reasons. We have kind of moved away the spark plug issue as of now, because if spark plug there was an issue, it wouldn't have started anytime properly. It does start. Once it starts, it doesn't have a problem. After that, the temperature rises or something happens. We don't know. Well, you saw the video yesterday. We sent that video to Kamal as well as the ex-service manager of BMW Motorrad. That video that was showing, those symptoms are not for the fuel line clogging or something. Because of fuel line clogging, one of the major issues will be pre-ignition and knocking, which is not this case. It's taking a start. So perhaps the ECU is not passing the right information to the engine through the temperature control center. We might have to definitely go for Kamalda and do a checking and verification what might be the issue. I just reached in Kamalda's garage and given the bike, explained it to Prashanto. They are right now unmounting the tank. They cleaned it, they checked every single thing. There was already a previous video that last time when we came to Kamalda, it was a pure problem of burnt rectifier and solenoid. You can see the link will be given in the card above. It's ended. It took exactly 3 hours for them to diagnose everything. Finally, the problem was obviously detected with the SIM. I'm not sure whether it is called SIM in proper technical terms. They have pulled out the camshaft and placed it again back. If everything goes good, this is definitely a fantastic recommendation. Kamalda is a very reliable person. And even Prashanto was the person who found out that not to be a problem with the temperature sensor, rather there is a problem with those SIM. They cleaned even the self-start part, which was causing that very bad harsh sound. I'll check for a few days and then I will update you about a confirmation whether everything looks good. So Prashanto, while doing his test drive, he found some kind of sound is coming. When he's pressing hard brake, some kind of problem is coming. He did something, he tightened some screws. As of now, everything seems to be fine. Prashanto confirmed. Today is the second day to see if the bike can start properly. When the first time we are starting, we give bit of the throttle so that the idle RPM is actually 1.5. We keep it right 2 to 2.5 we keep, and that's when it doesn't stop in the first attempt. It started with the first grunt, and this vlog is to be ending. And please do check out our playlist, motorcycle maintenance, all the different type of things that we have endured in our bike life. All the videos would be there in that playlist. We keep on doing trips, check out that. So as of now, stay tuned, ride safe, and stay colorful. Bye bye.